So chicken Doritos casserole. You need 11 ounces of nacho cheese Doritos, 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 cup of sour cream, 8 ounces of grated cheddar cheese, 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a half a cup of pico de gallo, which is optional if you want to top it off after it's all cooked. And we're going to bake it and mix all the ingredients together and bake it in the oven for 350. I got all my ingredients here, getting it ready, and we're going to cut up the chicken, mix all our ingredients together, and get started. Okay, so we're going to mix in the sour cream and then a whole can of Rotel, 2 cups of chicken, and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And then we are going to add in the shredded cheese, 8 ounces, which is a full bag of cheese. And then we're going to add the cumin and the chili powder, stir it all up. Okay, mixture's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some crushed Doritos at the bottom of the pan, mixture, Doritos, mixture, Dorito, and top it off with some cheese. And then you can add the pico de gallo if you want it on top. And we're going to bake this for 20 minutes. But I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to use flaming hot nacho Doritos along with regular nacho chips. So I love spicy food. My kids love spicy food. So we'll see how this turns out. In the oven we go for 20 minutes. Okay, it's out of the oven and I am ready to dig in. Yum, yum, yum. And I usually also have some tortillas with it as well. But we're ready to eat. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks for watching.